Hello, my beautiful queens. I do not want to record tonight, but I am forcing myself to record. It's been some time, and I did a little shopping haul at Ulta this weekend, so I figured I would share with you a little of what I got. I am not, dolled up. My hair is the natural curl, sweat, gross, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm real, unfiltered here. Today I'm really proud of myself because I have been able to just move my body and actually not feel lazy. And even though there's times and moments that I just don't want to do anything and I want to be cooped up in my own space, today I pushed myself. Today I was more active, and it was a good accomplishment today. So this is what you get, but it's okay. So one of the first things that I got was this gift set, and this is from moi, of course. When I was younger, I decided to overpluck, and not fun. And it's taken years upon years for my eyebrows to grow. And they have grown, but there's potential for them to grow even more. So I got this 5-piece kit, which is from Grande Brow. I can't even say it. So the Grande kit, we have lash, serum, we have brow, serum, mascara, lip plumper, and then there is a scrub that comes with it. So you get full size mascara, you get a mini supply of the brows, which I might just get another kit of these because this whole value is at $126 and I got it for $69. Really good value. You have a mini size mascara as well, and then you get a mini size grande lip plumper, and then you get the buffer. So you get 5 little products here for this value. Next, I got this heatless curling set, which you can also find on TikTok as well. I've been seeing a lot of reviews on this, and I'm looking forward to trying it out because my hair is naturally, to me, I like how my hair is with the natural waves. Aunque me veo greñuda, is fine. I look good. I feel good. But I wanted to give this a try because lately I just been, we'll have to do a life update, but not really. But yeah, I just been like, not wanting to take care of my hair, not wanting to take care of myself. And what better way to get yourself motivated to take care of yourself is doing self-care and getting my hair ready. And before this would be great. So you would apply this over your head, curl it around, wrap it around. And this was roughly around like $13. This touch hand sanitizer, I thought it was super cute, and it's pink berry scent, so I'm excited to have this. Well, this is gonna be gone pretty quick. It's more of the aesthetic of it, but I wanted to give it a shot. And this was around $10. Sometimes I just need to like cut my hair, and I do it myself. This was around $16.99 for these scissors. You can never go wrong with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizing. This is a water-based moisturizer. I absolutely love how I feel super refreshed after, cleaning my face and then applying this. I love it on my skin. The packaging looks a little different. This is a recycled glass jar. The pricing, I cannot remember off the top of my head how much this is, and then we got a couple more things, not too much. We got some Good Molecule products. If you know me, you already know that Good Molecules is absolutely one of my favorites. As far as price points, rate, and the quality of these products are simply refreshing and feels nice on my skin. So I haven't had any issues with Good Molecules. So far they've been good. I used to use a lot of their toners. I actually have one of the serums here and I was getting low on it, so that's why I got another serum. I don't know if it's the same one. Should be. Oh, this is the hydroxylic acid one, and that's the different one. But I got this, and then I also a little bit of retinol cream. So with retinol, it's repairing your face, but I've heard also like before it repairs and before it gives you more of a refreshing look, there is a chance to break out, and that's what happens with retinol. So I'm nervous about it. I don't want to break out. I don't want to have like, you know, rashes, but we'll see. We'll see what happens with the retinol. So the retinol is supposed to help and reduce wrinkles, giving a more refreshing facial feature on your face. If you use retinol, it's very important to use sunscreen afterwards. So during the day, if you're out wearing sunscreen, having that extra layer of protection. So doing the retinol at night and then having sunscreen. And I look crazy, but you know, honestly, this is just the realness you're gonna get because I don't have time to do my makeup. It's gonna be almost 10 o'clock and I don't have time to do my makeup. I'm proud of myself, moving my body more. Got my 10,000 steps today. A ver si les enseño my 10,000. I got my 10,000 steps today. And, you know, this is me. Greñuda y todo, like always. And then I'm trying Verb. So, heard a lot of great things by my friend Terrence and Terrence William Design. He recommends this for dry scalp, and I figured I'm gonna give this a try. This is an exfoliator scalp scrub, and I'm just gonna give it a try. I have sensitive scalp. I tend to have a lot of redness, and I do have dry scalp. I wasn't sure which one was the right one to grab, but I saw that it was exfoliator, so I grabbed a hold of this. And I'm excited to try that one. I hope you enjoy my little haul. Aunque estoy greñuda, you know, it is what it is. That's the vibes here. But I really wanted to make the time to just share what I got. I'm always going to be a girly when it has to do with taking care of my skin. And even if there's moments, no sé si ¿qué tengo aquí? Even there's moments where I just like don't feel like it, like I'm crusty, like I have something right here in my lip, I don't even know. But even though there's moments of setbacks, it's always important to take care of yourself again, pick yourself up again. And it's been a rough time to pick myself up again and to love myself and care for myself again, and I'm just ready to be all in. And I'm ready to start again and taking care of myself again. And self-care is the way to go. So I'm proud of myself. I hope you enjoyed this haul and these amazing, amazing, amazing products that I cannot live without. But I mean, I could live without them, but you know, let's splurge on stuff. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this mini Ulta haul, and I'm excited to try these products. Some of these are very familiar with and some of these are new, so I'm gonna have a different experience, I hope, and a positive one. Thank you so much for watching. If you are part of the Elenitas Journey family, the OGs, or if you're someone new, please be sure to leave a comment down below. If you tried any of these products and you have any feedbacks, or if you have questions, since I'm gonna be using them, feel free to reach out and take care of yourself. And if you're going through times where you just feel like you're not gonna make it, or you feel so alone, or you feel like it's just been a rough year, just know that things get better and you're not alone. You may, and we are alone, but you're not alone. Excuse me, sir. Come here, mi amor. Um, and come on, you want to say hi? Come here. You want to say hi? Come here. Oh, don't run away if you don't want to say hi. Um, oh. Yeah, if you are going through a rough time, just know that you are loved. Things do get better. You have to find that will within yourself, and sometimes that takes a while, and sometimes it's at your own pace that you feel that you might not get to where. Boy, why are you interrupting me? You might feel like, come here then. Come here and say hi then. Come here. Come here and say hi. Say hi. If you're gonna be coming at me, say hi. Say hi, my gorgeous little one. My baby. Uh-oh, someone's jealous. Just open the door. You got this. All sums it up, you got this. So no matter what you're going through, you got this. Pick yourself up. If you fall, si te arrastran. If you're in a ditch somewhere, depression hits so hard, just know that you got this. You made it through a lot of difficult times in life, and you're gonna make it through again. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, lovely rest of your year. I love you tons, and I miss you tons. I miss you guys a lot. But I'll be here. I'll be here little by little, day by day, and I miss you guys. Love you. Bye.